SERV stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at SERV Robotics and I'm like, right, 7.66% down. That's Friday, just Friday, but last week's performance was even like around 8.68 or whatever. I am still bullish on SERV. It is a bullish market for me. Like this week, actually, it was last week's Monday, first half of the week. It was just gave me the double break, and since then it's been on. This is the type of thing where I'm just gonna take a quick little peek during the day, and I'm like, okay, this is where we are, whatever. It's more so like a swing type of thing, but obviously I'm gonna keep you updated, and it should not be going lower than 708. And the moment we start breaking 1078, the moment where I put a B on fast. So that's my 2 cents. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. Let's see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.